Hello friends, welcome to Delights, and in today's video we are going to study an essay on advantages of artificial intelligence. So let's begin. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing various aspects of our lives, offering a myriad of advantages that span across different sectors. One notable advantage is the enhanced efficiency and productivity it brings to industries. AI-powered automation streamlines repetitive tasks, allowing businesses to allocate human resources to more strategic and creative endeavors. This increased efficiency not only reduces operational costs, but also accelerates overall output. In healthcare, AI contributes significantly to diagnostic accuracy and treatment planning. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast datasets to identify patterns and trends, aiding medical professionals in making more informed decisions. This results in quicker diagnoses, personalized treatment plans, and improved patient outcomes. Another advantage lies in the realm of personalization. AI algorithms analyze user behavior, preferences, and interactions to provide tailored recommendations in areas such as entertainment, e-commerce, and content consumption. This personalized approach enhances user experience and fosters customer satisfaction. AI's predictive capabilities are instrumental in various sectors, from finance to manufacturing. Predictive analytics powered by AI helps businesses anticipate market trends, optimize supply chains, and make informed decisions. This foresight allows organizations to stay competitive and adapt swiftly to changing circumstances. Furthermore, AI plays a crucial role in enhancing safety and security. Facial recognition, natural language processing, and anomaly detection contribute to advanced surveillance systems, strengthening public safety measures. Additionally, AI algorithms can identify potential cybersecurity threats, mitigating risks, and safeguarding sensitive information. In conclusion, the advantages of AI are diverse and impactful. From efficiency gains to personalized experiences and predictive analytics, AI is a powerful tool driving progress across multiple domains. As technology continues to evolve, harnessing the potential of AI responsibly can lead to a more innovative and interconnected world. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.